What's going on YouTube? Barber CVO in the building. I'm doing a small video today on my new product, the media mod from Gopro for my GoPro 8. I'm not gonna really be upgrading because it's like a cell phone, man. You get one and the next year comes out a new one and a new one and a new one. So no, I'm just keeping this one. I just got the media mod. Got recommended from a friend of mine, and Marvel Kid, and he said you gotta have it. It's very easy. You carry less stuff on your chin mount. So I'm gonna do a little product review, and then open the box, and then I'm gonna show you how it is. All right, so stay tuned. Doing a product review here on the media mod that I just received from GoPro. I've been wanting this thing for a little while. I didn't believe in the product until I asked one of my boys about this information, and he said it was probably the best thing he ever got for his GoPro. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so what you get in the box when you open it, you get like a little clamp, I guess that's for the helmet, and a little knob thing, and here's the product. Check it out. Let me focus it in a little bit. All right, pretty cool case with a mic, with a built-in microphone. Kind of flimsy, very plasticish for being from GoPro. I mean, like I said, back here you got your USB little Type C, I guess, cables. When you plug it in, microphone on top, and right here is where you plug in your adapter for your microphone that goes in the helmet. All right, guys. We're here with all the products that I use to record while doing my ride almost every weekend. All right, this is the GoPro 8, GoPro Max 360 with a screen in the back for protection. This is the 8. This is what the suction cup I use to put any of the GoPros right on top. It does work very well. I've gone pretty high speeds with this and it's pretty good. Don't use an extra bracket on top because it could crack. I did lose a GoPro last year because I used a bracket for this, so it didn't work. So this is what I had the GoPro on here before. See, this is for the vlog, and this plugs into it for the audio, and that goes into the helmet. But what we're here for is our new product is that this right here is called the media mod, which eliminates this bunch of a mess here. And this one goes onto the GoPro 8. You got your Type C USB cable right there. You got your microphone for the back. You got your microphone in the front. You open the side. It's kind of cheesy, it's kind of flimsy for being GoPro, but we're gonna have to manage what it is. You got your you could also add a light on the side, light on the top. This is just a button for the top, and then your GoPro 8 actually just slides right in there. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. See that? That goes in, connects into here. You cannot use the little door that comes in the side. So all you gotta do is just put it in there. Make sure nice and snug. Going in. And then you just lock it right there. So it's a nice firm fit. See that? still lightweight, not heavy at all. Actually, with this one, it's pretty heavy with all that stuff. And this, like I said, this is what it's trying to do, is eliminate all this mess. And I actually might sell this, I don't know yet. So, but this is the new setup for the moto vlog. And then you put this in here as well. So when you put it on your moto vlog, see, you put it on just like that. These little two things comes out and it'll be like right there. And then you just hook it up to your helmet. I heard the volume is actually pretty good. You connect if you want an external one. So this is what actually I'm gonna connect into there. So then it goes onto the inside of my helmet close to my mouth. And then we're good to go. All right, so there you go. GoPro, Media Mod, and it shows you all the stuff that I use for my videos that I use. All right, I also use my cell phone. I got a Samsung, what is it, S20 Ultra. It does all the videos great. That's what I'm recording in right now. But I am going to be upgrading in February when my new phone comes in, the S21 Ultra. Here is with the camera being hooked on to the actual product that came with the Media Mod. So what you do is you connect it here, and this is where you slide it up into the hook where the helmet is. So you see, it's nice and sleek. On the side of there, you actually have enough to turn. So it goes flip it up, and then you got nice room. All right, so there you go, guys. Here's all the stuff that I use for my videos. All right, till next time, make sure you like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.